Alright guys, this is Paul again for Test Drive PH. A lot of people have been commenting and been asking me for several months now, and kinakamusta yung Geely Coolray natin, our chase vehicle. Ngayon actually papunta ako ng Geely Fairview for this is yung PMS niya. Now, officially, ang kilometer reading niya is almost 28,000 kilometers, and this car is over 4 years old na, and this is hindi namin masyado tinatakbo to kasi mostly this is just for atid sundo lang to ng son ko just sa school, and sometimes ito yung dinadala namin for the shoot. Ito yung chase vehicle. This is the car behind all those really nice na rolling shots natin. But anyway, I'm just gonna make this quick. So what's happened na after all that 4 years? Mechanically, nothing has been changed except for the standard na PMS. Nothing's broken. There's no engine parts that been changed. There's no suspension. There's no transmission. Kasi nga, under 30,000 so there's really not a lot to break Siguro ito kapag since officially 40,000 daw dapat yung palit nito, so officially siguro may papalitan, but at right this moment wala akong naging problema talaga sa kanya. Walang pinalitan, walang mga kalog dito sa sasakyan, wala. Zero, really been zero. So how about dun sa exterior? Yung paint actually still looks good as far as I'm concerned, kasi ito lagi lang naman to nasa garahe lang naman to, tapos hindi naman to madalas na arawan. So yeah, the paint still looks good. Tapos sabihin natin about itong sunroof. Ang dami nagsasabi before na mapuputas yan or maglilik yan. Dude, zero problems with that. Actually, kapag umuulan nga, this is the time that I actually use this a lot. This is one of my favorite features of this car. This is my first car na nagkaroon ng sunroof, and I love it. Pero kita nyo, lagi naka-open yan, and wala namang leak dyan. No, zero leaks there. Tapos about sa engine, like I said before, wala naman pinalitan. Wala pa naman pinapalitan. I'm sure kapag chinek nila, they have to replace it and everything. Pero there's no knocking, there's no, tinatakbo ko to ng, ito sa city, majority. Pero for example, if I do need to, for example, we have a lot of shoot namin mga sports cars, mga sometimes even supercars pa nga, and kailangan namin humabol doon, and no problem. Actually, there's even once na Alfa Romeo group na inahabol namin. They were super surprised na nakakahabol itong sasakyan na to. So they're super surprised with that, and I wasn't surprised kasi kaya niya naman humabol as long as it's not over 200 or something like that. Pero yeah, nakakahabol kami doon, no problems there. Napansin ko lang though is yung engine niya, it's a little louder than it was when it was brand new. That's definitely, I can definitely hear that na hindi naman maingay siya, pero maybe masyado lang ako sensitive na these days as unlike before. So kapag let's say kapag sport mode siya or normal mode siya, it's a little bit louder, but that's probably just me being nitpicky. But the thing here is I actually quite like it kasi like yung mga new generation of cars now that are really quiet, since this has a 3-cylinder Volvo engine, and official yun na, I'm sure there's gonna be naysayers out there na no, it's not a Volvo, and it may not be the whole cars of Volvo, sure, pero officially that is a Volvo engine. And then and that's one of the things that I love about this car is the engine. That's one of the reasons that I bought this car strictly for the engine performance. And even now that it's over 4 years old na, I still love it. You know, kapag yan, hatawin mo yung whoosh nung turbo, yung nag-spool yung turbo, tapos yung hatak niya and everything, it's great. It's still really, pero I like that kasi nga it's much more raw. It's you can tell na talagang the engine is really well designed, and it's so much fun to use whenever I have the chance to use it. Tapos interior fittings, wala namang kumakalog dito. I like the other cars that I've yung mga kasabay ko na bumili ng sasakyan, no? Na even they said na, wow, ano to, walang kalug-kalug, galing nga. May mga other, not Geely, pero different brand na pretty much the same age as this one. Na sabi nila, so, galing nga, bago pa yung wala akong, di katulad ng sasakyan nila. So, yeah, you know, that's why I'm very happy with that. And then, how about compared dito sa mga current generation? Well, luma na to for sure. It's not as new compared dun sa newest na, especially for this one, of course. But the nice thing is, on the next video, we're gonna be looking into the current na Geely Coolray. So, abangan nyo yun. And probably one of the biggest things that I would like to discuss is, of course, the brand. Kamusta na ba siya? Now, as you all know, yung popularity niya for sure is definitely nag-drop. And you know, with, for example, in Geely, yung binili ko to, yung Geely North EDSA, wala na. So that was kind of a huge bummer. Buti na lang may Geely Fairview pa, malapit lang sa amin na yun yung pupuntahan ko ngayon, and they're really, really great. And then yung reputation nila for sure na damage talaga with everything the experience nung a lot of the other buyers. And not just luckily for me, I've really had zero problems with this, and I'm very, very happy. Pero for sure, Geely Philippines has definitely a lot of work to really regain that trust that they previously had, no. And but the nice thing is, when you think about it, no, according to the news, no, like for example, yung mga new models that they have, parts depot, or yung parang ginawa nila para nag-focus muna sila sa after sales and yung parts availability. That's a really good sign, you know. That's a really good sign na they're being more logical now. Hindi sila nagpo-focus masyado sa, you know, outright sales, and nag-focus muna yan sila sa parts and after sales service. So that's a really good sign. That's a huge upgrade from the previous na approach nung previous yung Sojitz before. So definitely that's a really good sign. It's nice to know na yung main Geely talaga international na mag-handle na lang dito sa Pilipinas. So I'm very much looking forward to that, yung upgrades that they do. And I have read everywhere na, you know, once they figure out and once they fix this, yung supports and training and everything nila, that's the time that they'll be introducing new models. So that's a really good thing. But again, I'm just gonna make this short, and I'm sorry if this is a really boring video. But 4 years later, and you know, all that time that kumparin ko to sa mga nireview ko, I'm still a very happy owner. I have no plans of selling this. I'm looking forward to owning this another 5 years, and I'm very confident na it'll be just fine, you know. And very, very happy with my purchase, and I'm looking forward to testing out yung next gen ng Geely Coolray and their new models. I wish them luck because I do want them to be successful as well, because I like the brand naman, I like the car, and yeah, So yeah, that's it. Make sure to subscribe na lang dito sa Facebook, dito sa YouTube, dito sa TikTok, and for other reviews. So yun, papasok ko nito sa casa and then bike home. So that's it for me. This is Paul again for Test Drive PH. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.